Good afternoon, and welcome to our lesson on expected value. All right, earlier you probably saw the video about mean variance and standard deviation, and you saw how difficult that was. Well, good news is expected value is probably the easiest thing that you'll do in chapter 4.1. In fact, you can do it in 3 steps. Okay, raffle has 10,000 tickets sold for $5 each. There are prizes for $5,000, $2,500, and $1,200. Find the expected value. Well, the very first step is to add up all the prizes. So what I'd like to do is do $5,000 plus $2,500 plus $1,200. And that is equal to $8,700. Great, step 1 is done. Step 2, I would like to take our answer and divide it by the total number of tickets. So our previous answer was 8,700. I'm going to divide that by 10,000 because there are 10,000 tickets. And that's equal to 0.87. So far, so good. Finally, I like to do answer minus cost. So 0.87 minus the cost was $5. And that's equal to negative 4.13. And that's our answer. Now, I know what you're thinking. You notice that the expected value is negative. And you're probably wondering, well, what does that mean? When an expected value is negative, that means in the long run, you are likely to lose money. And that's all it means. So, seems like every time somebody buys a ticket for this, on average, they can expect to lose $4.13, which to me, on a $5 ticket, losing $4, not a good deal. So I would stay away from this game. It's a bad game. All right, let's do some more. Another raffle has 2,000 tickets sold for $3. There is a prize worth $4,500. Okay, notice how I say add the prizes if necessary. Well, the thing is, there's only one prize, so 4,500 is 4,500. Step 2 is to divide by the number of tickets. So we're going to do 4,500 divide 2,000, and that is equal to, let me put it in the calculator, $2.25. Okay, let's subtract. So we'll do $2.25 minus the cost, which is $3, which is equal to negative 0.75. So on a $3 ticket, the average person can expect to lose 75 cents. Not terrible, but still not very good. All right, example 3. A lottery has 100,000 tickets sold for $1. They have prizes for 35,000, 20,000, 15,000, and 5,000. So number 1 step is to add up all the prize money. So we're going to do 35,000 plus 20,000 plus 15,000 plus 5,000. And if you add that up, that adds up to $75,000. Okay, well, the next step is to do, $75,000 divided by $100,000. And that's equal to 0.75. And finally, we will subtract 0.75 minus 1. And that's equal to negative 0.25. So, you expect to lose 25 cents on a $1 lottery ticket. Which, not surprised, you got to pay the winners. Lottery has to make a profit, so It is what it is. Okay, so suppose a person is selling 12 plots of land for $200,000 each. One plot is $1 million worth of gold, another has $500,000, and another has $300,000. Again, let's do the same thing. Let's add up all the gold in this case. So I'd like to do $1 million plus $500,000 plus $300,000. And that is equal to $1,800,000. So pretty good sum of money there. Okay, so the next step is to divide that number by 12. So 1,800,000 divide 12 is equal to, type it in the calculator, $150,000. Now the last step is to subtract the cost. So 150,000 minus 200,000 is equal to negative $50,000. So on average, if I were to buy a plot of land, I can expect to lose $50,000. But now let's take a look at the next example. Let's say 4 people already purchased plots and they turned out to be worthless. So now there's 8 plots of land left and it still has the same price. The first step is to add up all the gold. And you know what? Since nobody found any gold, the amount hasn't changed. It's still $180,000. Now I will take that $180,000, but this time I'm going to divide by 8 because there's 8 plots left. And for that, we get $225,000. Now let's subtract cost. So $225,000 minus $200,000. This time our answer is positive $25,000. When expected value is positive, that means on average you can expect to win. You expect to gain money. In fact, if I was this investor, I would buy all the plots of land. Why? We know there's 1.8 million in gold in the land. The 8 plots only cost 200,000 each, so 8 times 200,000 is 1.6 million. The payoff is already bigger than the total cost of everything. But that's for another day. Anyway, you can now answer questions 6 and 7 on homework chapter 4.1. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, have a wonderful day.